How do I calibrate the wireless pH sensor using SPARKvue software? You can increase the accuracy of your pH measurements by calibrating the sensor in the software using two known pH solutions. In this case, I have a pH 4 buffer solution and a pH 10 buffer solution. In order to calibrate the sensor, you'll need to be in a Spark file, so I'm going to select the pH measurement, which I've previously connected to SPARKvue already, to enter a file, and I'll go to the Experiment Tools menu and select Calibrate Sensor. I need to make sure that I've selected the wireless pH sensor, its pH measurement, and I'll leave the calibration type at its default, a 2-point calibration, and select Continue. Here I'll define the two calibration points. I can type in the value for the first pH if it's not the pH that I have. In this case, 4 is the pH buffer I have, so I don't need to change that. I will rinse the pH electrode and gently blot it dry with tissues and place it into the pH 4 solution. The current sensor reading is shown here. I'll wait for that to stabilize, and once it's stable, I'll press the Set Calibration button to define the first calibration point. Next, I'll twirl open calibration point 2. The default here is 10. I can change it if I don't have a pH 10 buffer, but I happen to have that here. So I'll rinse the pH electrode once again. Blot it dry. Place it in the second calibration solution. And I'll wait for this reading to stabilize. Once it's stable, I'll choose Set Calibration for the second point and press OK. My pH sensor is now calibrated, and the calibration will actually remain with the sensor itself.